Hi, my name is Brita Seltzer, and I am a PM for PagerDuty. I'll be talking today about exciting new event management capabilities we have as it relates to our service profile and dependencies. Before we jump into what's new, let's start with why the service profile matters. It matters because it's the single source of truth for service information, like what a service is about, which team owns it, who's on call, what the open incidents are, the service's dependencies, etc. Information that can provide critical context so that teams make informed decisions and triage more quickly in moments that matter. So no matter how fast or large a company scales, the service profile easily scales too, providing a single source of truth for all services and how they relate to each other. So what's new? We've completely revamped the design of our old service details page with a focus on prioritizing things that we know matter most, like high priority incidents, while also providing new metadata that can help teams expedite incident triage. For example, runbooks. These allow for links to documentation that include routine procedures or troubleshooting steps for this service so that it can be easily referenced during an incident by any team members. We've also included a quick view of a team's communication channel so that anyone viewing the service page knows how to get in communication with the team that owns that service. Get ahead of emerging problems by viewing recently suppressed alerts, and when all is done and dusted with an incident, easily initiate a postmortem from the activity tab so that the team can learn from what happened and help ensure that it doesn't happen again. Another exciting part of our new service profile is the ability to add dependencies. Dependencies elevate the value of the service profile as a single source of truth by allowing teams to understand how services relate to each other in the broader technical environment, which again can be critical context in moments of triage, helping teams get to the root cause of an incident more quickly. Storing information in PagerDuty also allows that every team member that triaging an incident has the information that they need about upstream and downstream services at their fingertips, not requiring them to have tribal knowledge or access to wikis to understand what other services may be impacting their service or what other services they may be impacting. It effectively levels the playing field for new and experienced employees by providing critical environmental context. So lastly, the highlights of service dependencies. Creating service dependencies in PagerDuty is incredibly easy. Add or update business and technical service dependencies through our UI, or leverage our API or Terraform provider to automate your source of truth. Expedite root cause analysis by easily viewing the status of dependencies, both upstream and downstream. Are they having an incident or are they operational? This can help teams, again, identify likely sources of root cause and triage more quickly. And lastly, for each dependency, view what team owns that service, who's on call, their communication channel, etc., effectively taking the guessing game out of who or how to contact someone during moments that matter.
With a real-time understanding of her business unit's digital operations, Celine can take proactive action to minimize risk and embrace operational agility. From Visibility's high-level view, Celine can drill down to get the details she needs from PagerDuty's new service profile. It includes critical new metadata about services, such as recent high-priority incidents and dynamic relationships to critical business outcomes. The service profile sharpens Celine's focus on key information so she can make confident, smart decisions about an increasingly complex system.
The queue is backing up with requests and it supports some significant services, including the Soleil chat here. No issues on Soleil chat yet. Where can I find them? Great. Much easier than looking through a wiki.